Is DJT stock a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm also covering my Trump media stock analysis and price predictions. So watch this 1 minute video till the end. We're up 5% for the day. Now, just to give you context on my approach, and you see I have lines pointing up in my exact approach. I'm just using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins 2023, and I'm telling you this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So, looking at DJT stock, I'm very bullish. I'm just expecting the price to continue to take out the highs. Like the only way that I'll really approach this is if the price gives me the rules. That's first. And what are the rules? Now let's get into it. I'm looking for a Wyckoff accumulation confirmation for me to go bullish, and it's not that complicated as it sounds. Like all I'm waiting for, like for me to position myself in this bullish trend, like I've overall marked out previously, because I'm definitely expecting the price to take out new highs. Because look at the beautiful bullish trend, and also a lot of fundamentals starting in favor in Trump media. So this is not financial advice, of course. Do your due diligence. This is only for entertainment purposes. It needs to. If it goes without me here, that's cool, right? It doesn't give me the rules and goes, that's cool. I'm not gonna be a part of the move. But if it goes lower into my demand area, then gives me like the double break, which is just a very simple lower time frame shift, then only then I'm bullish. So I'll see you in the next one.